In this video tutorial, we'll show how a signer can upload an image of their signature when signing a transaction in OneSpan Sign. Let's take a closer look at how this feature works. Start by creating a transaction using the New Transaction button in the top right-hand corner. Next, enter a name for your transaction. Click the Create button to proceed. Now it's time to add a document to your transaction. Next, add your recipient to the transaction. After adding your document and recipient, click Next to prepare your document for signature. Add a signature by clicking the Signature field and moving the signature block to a desired location on your document in the Field Settings section. Select the Capture Signature option in the Signature Type drop-down menu. In the toggle, select From File. This allows the signer to upload an image of their signature from their own files. Your transaction is ready to send. Click Send to Sign to distribute your document for signing. Your signer will receive an email to access the document to e-sign. They will click Go to Documents. They will then be directed to the document that requires their signature. When it's time to e-sign the document, they click the Sign field to apply their signature. The Capture Signature screen appears. The signer clicks Upload Image and then selects an image of their signature from their files to upload to the transaction. The image should be less than 1 megabyte in size and is auto-fit into the dimensions of the signature block. The image of the signature now appears in the document. Once they are done signing the document, they will click the Confirm button. As a final confirmation that the signing process is complete, digital encryption is applied to the document. Visit our support center for more video tutorials about OneSpan Sign.